Jeremiah's prophecy about the Messiah is found in Jeremiah chapter 23, 5 to 6. The Messiah would come from the house of David. He would be righteous. He would reign as king. The Messiah would rule wisely. He would execute justice in the land. He would bring salvation upon Judah. He would provide security in Israel. He would be called the Lord. Micah's prophecy about the Messiah is found in Micah chapter 5 from verse 1 to 5. Micah's prophecy focuses on the small town of Bethlehem, which is David's birthplace. The Messiah will be born in Bethlehem. He will rule over Israel. His origin is from the ancient days. He will be born of a woman. He will feed his flock. He will rule in the strength of God. In his time, Israel will be secure. He shall be great to the ends of the earth. Israel will have victory over the enemy.